Yo, 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 what's going on, good people? Just wanted to do a really quick video about this Lynx-S Grizzla kit. So I finally have my full build on this Lynx-S. Got everything exactly how I want it. This is the third tire that I've tried, and this is a world's first. So right here, what you're looking at is the Extreme Bull tire, the Maxxis hot melt tire that comes with the Begode Race and the Commander Max on a Leatt wheel. And I can guarantee you nobody else has that. I'm the only guy. But as you can see, we got that Grizzla kit in the mail finally after a month of waiting. Just for context, I ordered it June 13th. Forgot when I got it. I want to say July 15th or so. It's been maybe July 18th. It was a little bit over a month wait, but that's just fine because as you can see, it came out beautiful. Now, Grizzla has some of the best print quality that money can buy, and the main reason I went with this kit over others is because of the material. So if you hear this, this is elastopolymer. It's a much harder material than TPU. So you can see, it's going to stand up to impacts a lot better than some other kits that are made out of TPU, and I like that. I also really love this front handle. It allows you to grip the wheel really well, and overall adds a lot of protection to the wheel. You can see we got bottom bumpers, we've got the front bumpers replacing the tow hooks, which allowed me to put on my preferred pad setup, the power knobs and the shark pads, which also just happen to be matching in green and purple. I think it's a really good look. The seat is super comfy. It protects the wheel really well. Let's go ahead and stand it up. You still have a nice handle to grip from. You got an even better front handle for seated riding and other applications. And overall, it is a winner. Literally perfect print quality all around. I've really got nothing bad to say about it. Very, very satisfied with the purchase. And I would recommend you do the same. So real quick, just want to give you a couple tips for installation. So first things first, there are two screws that hold on the back bumper. If you over tighten the top screws, your trolley handle will not work. It will be very, very tight. So what you want to do is have those tight, but not extremely tight. Just loose enough so where your trolley handle still functions just fine. Other than that, only real complaint, which is not even a complaint, is just that the front handle is a little creaky. You see that? There's a little bit of movement, but you know, all things that can be looked past because it's such a great kit. You got the smooth front bumper that's very functional. You get the matching stickers, and it lets you put your own pad setup on the wheel, which is exactly what I got. I do record a pad video about this exact setup, but I haven't released it yet, which we'll talk about in another video. But for now, just a quick look at the Grizzla S kit. I'm really loving it. It makes my wheel look unique, and I know my wheel is unique because I'm the only one with that Extreme Bull tire on a Leatt wheel, and I absolutely love it. One more thing, I've tried 3 different tires on this wheel. The stock TNT knobby tubeless, it felt really good, although in sharp corners it had a tendency to fall over. It does have a good amount of gyro, has great traction off-road, but for the majority of my riding, which is on the street, I wanted a street tire. So I tried the Michelin Pilot Street 2 90/90. I rocked that for a little over a month. Really enjoyed that tire as well, but it just, if you had the PSI too low, you would get wobbles, at least I would. And if you had it too high, it felt really nice. But the thing was that with that bigger tire on here, it felt a little bit more sluggish. Like the same reactivity that I liked from the knobby tire in 80/90 version or 14x275 was not there. I felt slower off the line, slower top speed, and that's probably because I wasn't pushing it as hard. But for those reasons, I wanted to see if an 80/90 tire would have that same reactivity, that same punch, that oomph, and it actually does. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. This is a quick look at the Lynx-S kit. Everything is going well. You should get one too. I don't have a discount code, but I'm sure your favorite creator does. All right, y'all, take care. Have a good day. Enjoy this beautiful view. Oh, and hey, there's Paul. What's up?